Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a tutoring appointment in Navigate. In order to access Navigate, you must first log in to your MyBGSU using BGSU's two-factor authentication. Once logged in, scroll down, locate the Navigate icon, and click it. This will take you to the Navigate student homepage. Here you can start setting up your appointment. Select the current semester in the upper right-hand corner and click the Schedule an Appointment button right below it. Choose your appointment tutoring and your meeting location, the Teaching and Learning Center, TLC. After that, choose a service for your appointment. You would want individual tutoring. Click Next. Confirm your location and choose a course. Click Next. On this page, you can pick the date and time of your appointment. Click Next. To complete the scheduling process, click Confirm Appointment. Once confirmed, your appointments will show up on your BGSU calendar. Lastly, don't forget to log out. Thanks for watching and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe as well as follow BGSU Firelands on their Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. There will be a link to those in the description below.